Hello guys, welcome back to another video. As soon as Pancake Day is coming up very soon, I thought that I would show you 4 ways that I decorate my pancakes, or 4 ways that you can have your pancakes. Just as a little bit of inspo. The pancakes are all the same, but the decorations on top do change. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video and let's go on with the first pancake. Okay, so in the bowl you want to put 4 ounces of plain flour, half a pint of milk and an egg. I'm just going to whisk the egg into the milk just to help with combining. And then just combine. And now it's time to make the pancakes. My top tip for making pancakes is to make sure the pan is super hot before you start, because otherwise the pancakes will just stick and it will become a hot mess. I'll be doing 1 pancake at a time and then the 4 ways that I decorate them in a minute. Pretty impressed with how that has turned out. This recipe is inspired by my absolute favourite mallow and marsh in the dark chocolate and raspberry flavour. For pancake number 1, I strategically started placing raspberries purely for aesthetic reasons, and then I put some marshmallows on the top because obviously mallow and marsh is marshmallow, and then I topped it off with a drizzle of sweet freedom, and this was just amazing. I finished off with a sprinkling of icing sugar and some of these freeze-dried raspberries, just to make it look a little bit more pretty for the photos. And then pancake number 2 is banoffee pie inspired ones. I pan-fried these bananas. The next pancakes are banoffee pie inspired. I just pan fried these bananas to make them a bit more gnarly, and then finished it with maple syrup, Greek yogurt and chocolate shavings. I have become a little bit obsessed with Reeses peanut butter cups, so I thought I'd do a pancake inspired by that, and yeah, basically peanut butter and chocolate sauce. You can't really go wrong with this combination. And then for the final pancake, I thought I'd go a little bit healthier. I just topped it with some strawberries, raspberries and a little bit of banana, and then a sprinkling of icing sugar. Sometimes think that the simplest pancakes are actually better than all the delicious toppings that I did in the last ones. So that was my 4 ways to make pancakes. Let me know down below which one was your favourite, or how you like to have your pancakes on Pancake Day. But other than that, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.